So this is the front end part. So initially I have designed for this one for sales price prediction using machine learning. Initially I have asked for the name and password. I have given the name and password in the front end part like this one. So if you see here, account name card. So in this account I have saved some names and passwords. If you want to change the names, and we can change the name and password here. So in the front end part it is asking name and password. So I have given the name and password here. So when we click on the login, it will open this portal. So in here I have to give the row number. So here which row number we have to give means, here in test file we have saved so many data, right? So in this data set I have checked the intent number like for 16 or like for 20. So if you given 20, that means it is applying all these 17.7, say 0, 0.174, 6, 7, 117 like this. These are all data implemented in that code. So like that, if I given 20, so I'm checking big bad data and algorithms here. In our backend part we implemented two algorithms like the random forest and decision tree. So if I want to apply decision tree, why? Because decision tree having more accuracy. So for this decision tree I have clicked on the predict, then the sales is 1670. This is our output sales. So here from this point we can conclude that here we are predicting the sales based on the product price and all this. So this is our project. Thank you.